Hello my friend, welcome to my channel Faisal Azib. In this video I will show you how to add your voice or your talk in the presentation directly. I mean, when you start your presentation, you don't want to talk about this presentation by yourself. You integrate directly when you start the presentation. Or, for example, you need to create video, put in the YouTube about some explanation with the presentation. You can do it. Yeah, you can integrate your voice directly in the presentation. So when the video starts, you have the voice integrated. How to do this? In the PowerPoint, go to the menu Slideshow. Okay, right now, go to the Slideshow menu and click here, Record Slideshow. Now you have two ways. From where you will integrate your voice. You can do it from the current slide, for example this one, or from the beginning. So I will make it from the current slide. Now, to start to record, you must click here. You have this window, click in this button, Record. Now listen. I'm waiting. Hello, how are you, my friend? So, we talk about the coffee. Yeah, I like coffee. I think a lot of persons like to coffee, and it's time break to drink the coffee. Now, which coffee do you like? We have the soft one. Yeah, you can add, for example, some explanation like this. You see? I have also I am liking the dark. Yeah, it is very. I think it's very strong, but I like it. Do you drink it without sugar? Are you able to do it or no? Or maybe you like medium. If you don't want to add the sugar and to start drink without. For something good, try to do it with medium. Okay, here is some very quick presentation about the coffee, about this slide. Now, when you finish, click to the stop. And now, to see the presentation or the slide, click in the escape from your keyboard. Or from here, as you want, okay? The same thing. Now if you go to the animation pan, here what you will see, you have your audio. You see, you have your audio file integrated. It's very, very good, important. And also, if you go to the transition, you have the duration. You have the duration after has been changed automatically with your voice time. Means here it is 5:54 seconds. Here is the duration before to add the transition. Now let's start this presentation and listen what we got. From here, go.
Hello. A lot of persons like to.
Do you see?
Maybe it's time break to drink the coffee. Now, what coffee do you like? We have the.
I'm making it dark. Sorry.
You can add, for example, some expressions like this. You see? And also, I am making it dark. Yeah, it is very. I think it's very strong, but I like it. Do you drink it without sugar? Are you able to do it or no? Or maybe you like medium if you want. You don't want to add the sugar and to start drink without. For something good, try to do it with a medium. Okay? There is some very quick presentation about the coffee, about the slide. Now when you finish, click the stop.
So here is how you added your voice for your presentation. Also, if you want to create video, remember, go to the file, export. And here you have create video directly. Okay? See you in this video, inshallah. To continue with our course, to see new thing. Take care of us. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.